companies are consistently producing innovative products to advance green energy production and contribute to a sustainable future.
So as manufacturers, what we're trying to do is create consistency. The idea is that it's pretty boring if we get it right, so that the same things are happening time and time again. So it's about consistency. So it's all about measuring differences, temperature, timings, watching the foam. The foam needs to be consistent. The raw material of the facings needs to be the same. So the idea is that we measure for consistency purposes all of the time. We have regular intervals through our production days where we pull panels out and we interrogate them. We look at sizing, we look at the thermal performance, we look at the makeup of the foam, we're looking at the consistency of the facings. We're only as good as the panels we produce, and they have to adhere to the British and European standards, but we try and go beyond that. So we're constantly testing the performance of our product, and it's there to be as higher quality as we possibly get.
Some of the main challenges that would come when installing our products, it varies from product to product. So if I was to say, with the X-Pot, some challenges may be, are there the connections, or we call them the stabbings, connections in a plant room where you can go and connect to. New systems, it's not a problem, but for older systems, you don't always have those connections. But I still say that it's very flexible where you can retrofit it. For our YMAG product, our inline strainer with a magnet, the challenge will come if it's an existing system, unless you're cutting pipe work and you're going to install it. But for new installations, there really are no challenges. It's something that's familiar with an industry, installing a strainer. The biggest challenge we have with our system is going to be a combination of, if the customer decides they want to have it connected to the IT infrastructure or the broadband, that can come with various protocols and that can take time, but we have a 4G solution which overcomes that. If it's the IoT devices, the wireless devices, I would say that the challenge there more than anything is actually the timing of when that happens, because you have to have the heating shut down. So you have a smaller window of getting orders, getting your purchase orders from the customer, and then getting the installation done before that heating season starts again. So that's probably the challenge with the IoT devices.
At the design stage on the shop floor, we assist our clients by modifying their machines. We can make older machines run more efficiently than they used to run, saving them money. We can put on energy monitors which have a look at how the machine actually operates and how the usage of the machine. So if a machine isn't being used 100% of the time, we can fit sort of electronic drives on the machine which can slow it down, and when it's not being in use they save energy. We specialise, in this shop we specialise in wind. We also do solar, hydro and biogas. So all of these plants have specialist generators attached to them, all driven by different means. So we install the units for them, we service them, and for the wind turbines, we re-engineer the wind turbines for a better performance. In other words, we call it optimization.
Join Executive TV as we explore the key innovations and impacts of the UK's journey to a greener future, with insight from leading companies